If you're craving sleek, modern, and elegant living in one housing package, then University Village at Boulder Creek is what your heart desires. These charming 3- and 4-bedroom apartments offer a spacious bed, cute dresser, sweet study nook, stylish entertainment center, and a covered patio. Your new kitchen's fully equipped with essential appliances and a built-in dining area. Elevate your study sessions with blazing fast internet, smart computers, and community workspaces. Put your body to work in the gym or sand volleyball court to stay fit and have fun. From 24-hour staff support and courtesy patrol officer to maintenance and secure parking spaces, convenience is available at your doorstep. This perfect location puts you minutes away from University of Colorado Boulder on foot, while Regis University is a short drive away, making your timely arrival to campus easy. Catch a bus from Folsom Street and Taft Drive, or get a train from Wheat Ridge to explore the city. If you're ready to live better, come to University Village at Boulder Creek via amberstudent.com today.